Hooking up your shore cable is one of the first things you do when you hit the campground. Heartland wants to make it easy for you to do this. You'll see here on our high-end fifth wheels a nicely secured and locked electric power cord reel. This power cord reel is the easiest to set up in the industry. Here you can pull it right out. When it's time to pack up and hit the road, you'll see here that it's quite easy to bring your cord back in. With the push of a button, that cord easily retracts back in. And locks back up when you're done. As you can see, Heartland likes to think outside of the box. This is typically a feature found in high-end diesel pusher motorhomes. We've now brought this into the fifth wheel market, again bringing you more value for your investment.